Your life isn't messy. You're just knocking down the wrong domino. You keep trying to fix everything at once. Your body, your money, your mindset, your discipline. And that's exactly why nothing changes. Let me say it straight. You don't need 10 new habits. You need one that makes the others automatic. But you'd rather download another productivity app, watch another motivation video, make another fresh start plan on Sunday. Truth number 1. You're addicted to planning. Because planning feels productive. Execution feels uncomfortable. Truth number 2. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a consistency problem. And consistency is built from one small daily win, not a life overhaul. Truth number 3. If your mornings are chaotic, your life is chaotic. You lose the first hour of your day, and then wonder why you lose control of the rest. Here's the concept. Find the one habit that makes everything else easier. That's your domino. For some of you, it's waking up at the same time every day. For others, it's 30 minutes of deep work before touching your phone. Or training your body first thing in the morning. The rule is simple. If this habit disappears, your day falls apart. If this habit stays, everything improves. That's your domino. Stop trying to become a new person. Just become someone who never misses their domino. One habit. Every day. No negotiation. You don't need intensity. You need identity. When you protect that one habit like it's sacred, you stop relying on motivation. You start building momentum. And momentum is dangerous. It turns average people into disciplined ones. So here's the question. What's your domino? And why haven't you protected it like your future depends on it? Because it does. Stop rebuilding your entire life every Monday. Pick one domino. Knock it down. Every single day.